Folks, today we're going to talk about top tech stocks riding the trend post what we think is post-election. Although if it lingers on for the next 2 weeks, what can I say? But all humor aside, I hate to say I told you so, but the election, which was supposed to be over yesterday or last night, continues to drag on and may end up being a drama that resolves in the courts. I hate when that happens. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq is having one of the best days in the past several months, and there's a few stocks that are looking exceptionally strong right now. Tech stocks have proven that they have potential to deliver incredible returns. Technology companies, by their very nature, are innovators, like the iPhone or Echo smart speakers or services we take for granted today, like streaming video. The biggest factor that drives tech companies' innovations, or as I like to call it, disruptive technology. You have to find companies that are solving problems that no one else can. And that's really what drives tech. The potential for what's to come down the road. Just look at Tesla. The speculative nature of the possibility or what of that's possible continues to drive investors into the stock. Even though on a fundamental level, the company would never pass muster with Warren Buffett and other value investors. So today, I decided to give you two tech stocks that have major developments in the work. Each of these two companies is changing the way we live and work. And I believe each one will see significant upside in the next few quarters, if not sooner. And again, these stocks should not be impacted too much by the election. They are driven by consumer demand and technology, not by politics. The first stock on my ticker is JD.com, ticker symbol JD. JD.com is another China's e-commerce giant. The company describes itself as China's largest online retailer and its biggest overall retailer, as well as the country's biggest internet company by revenue. The sheer size of JD.com's market and growth potential is huge. China is a massive, massive country, and it's still early in the curve in terms of massive adaptation of online shopping. All that points to growing growth to potential for JD stock to move higher. One of the reasons JD stood out from the competition and they expanded rapidly due to heavy investment in its own logistic network and continuous efforts in the supply chain improvement. The company is a pioneer in last mile autonomous delivery. On October 22nd, JD.com announced that it'll be the first company in the world to deploy level 4 autonomous delivery vehicle at scale. The company has an autonomous robot delivery system in operation in China, with plans to employ 100 autonomous delivery vehicles by the end of the year. Autonomous delivery, folks, is a key to future growth in online shopping and also offers the prospect of cutting JD.com's delivery costs. JD stock has posted 115% growth so far in 2020, and I believe the future is very solid over the next few years. The next stock on my list is Align, ticker symbol ALGN. Align Technology is a global medical device company with industry-leading innovative products such as Invisalign clear aligners and OrthoCAD digital services that help dental professionals achieve the clinical results they expect and deliver effective cutting-edge dental options to their patients. Momentum on the stock has just been going crazy. 5-year return, 630%. 5-year revenue growth, 216%. 5-year earnings growth, 180%. And get this, the most important, company has hardly any competition, which is helping them propel demand, and as a result, the momentum level's higher. The company's got a 665% positive earnings surprise last quarter, and I believe we're going to see more upside since the stock doesn't have much competition. Expect more upside over the near term, especially with very little political bias driving the stock, since medical stocks won't be impacted by whomever ends up being the president of this country, which is very, very big right now. So again, JD and Align Technology, and I hope that helps. Folks, it's not every day you hear about a strategy that could double your investment in just 3 weeks. But for the first time ever, Chuck, a 10-time heavyweight trading champion, is revealing the secret behind his 20 years of success without a single down year. Folks, he's made over $1 million this year alone thanks to his trophy trade system. And the next trade, Chuck says it could give you the potential to pocket thousands of dollars in a matter of days. Are you ready to turn your dreams into a reality? Click on the link below to see how you can get in on Chuck's next trade. Do it now.